I know I'm bringing back one of these little unicorn worm things, but it's on my shoe. Look, it's balancing on my shoe. Yeah, and look, I'm Batman. Like, if you look at my mask and yeah, and I got a mouth now. I'm so scientific that I got a mouth. And I got a mask also. That's awesome, I got a mask. And you got this little wiggling crown thing with the worm. This is crazy. You think you catch this? It's bouncing on a shoe. It's that big. It's on the shoe and it's bouncing on a shoe. I'm Batman, for crying out loud. I'm Batman. Yeah. If you don't think you catch this, go to the top pro.